My original trackpad had corroded batteries and it wouldn't turn on. So what I did was I took out the old batteries and put the new ones in, and it still wouldn't turn on. So what I did was I got a chopstick and I cut piece of cloth from old t-shirt and I wrapped it and put some alcohol on the tip and put them in the trackpad, and I try my best to clean the contact points. So after I put the cap back on and try to turn on, and it still wouldn't turn on. So then what I did was went to the kitchen, grabbed some foil, and I cut them into little pieces, and I folded it like maybe like 4 or 5 times to make it tiny so it fits on the contact points nicely. So I was hoping it would turn on, but it didn't, and I didn't give up. So what I did was I took out the battery again and I gave it a nice shake. So the foils were sitting right in the middle, as you can see in the picture right here. It has to be right in the center where the battery meets the contact points. So give it a nice shake and put the battery back in. And after closing the cap, when I turned it on, it worked. It's connected. So don't throw away your trackpad if it doesn't power on.